What is up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning into another video. It's your boy Rush. Today's video, we're going to be dynoing a 2020 Shelby GT500. As you can see, we're getting it loaded onto the dyno here. This is a friend of mine that pulled up while I was dynoing the bus, so we decided to dyno the Shelby as well. And here's the video. Enjoy. Alright guys, got the homies Cobra Kai on the dyno with a sick Porsche color. He painted it. I think you're one of the first people to paint a GT500. He's a full sender, man. This color is super sick. It's kind of like the crimson, but it just has like a deeper. It looks black until you see it in the light. But we're about to throw it on the dyno. See, first time on the dyno?
First time on the dyno.
Ever. What are you guesstimating?
To be fair, like 900.
900.
I'm shooting for like 950, maybe even 1,000. Shit.
Dude, I think you'll be there. And I saw this thing run yesterday, and it's quick. It's a very fast car. I'm about to do a test hit just to make sure everything is good. This thing is so loud. So freaking loud. Just on the startup. Need those. My ears are done. How high did you take it up?
Like 7, but the graph's not tapering. I can go more.
Yeah. That wasn't even 7. That was like 68. Yeah.
It was that loud.
Yeah, it's
That's why he's getting back that number over there where he's going.
yeah, that wasn't even to 7. That was to like 68, and it made that much.
That's like such a beautiful graph too. It's like
Yeah, so smooth.
It's like the Hellcat graphs are like a ruler, bro.
Sheesh. Very good power. Waking up the whole establishment around here. I don't even want to be near it, guys. Make less power. What is it? But it
had like a spike.
Yeah, right, because it got hot.
Yeah. That much power difference off of heat soak?
I mean, I did it same here and everything.
Yeah.
And I took it up higher. See? Yeah, that's a big jump. That's 100 horsepower.
Off of heat soak.
Yeah, like I said, it gets in here, it gets hot, bro.
Yeah. It is getting really hot in here. It's like 90 degrees in here right now. So we did see a loss in power. It was just getting too hot, or
you know, it's just not feeling the dyno right now. Because we took it out further, he took it out more to like 7,500, and it still had a decrease in power, decrease in torque. So that's the thing with superchargers, is a heat soak. Alright guys, they're doing the last pull of the day. This looks really sick, this shot. Yeah, this looks like a sick shot right here. This is goals, man. I need a garage like this. Here we go, last pull of the day.
So that was the end of the 3 runs that we did on the dyno. The first run we did 863 horsepower, 726 foot-pounds of torque. The second one was 776 horsepower, and we didn't get an accurate torque reading. And the last number was 790 horsepower and 664 foot-pounds of torque. Now, unfortunately, the car was not super consistent. We do believe that there was some heat soak that played into it, because when we let it cool off, it made a little more power. But I'm not sure if there was something else going on that was forcing it to pull timing and pretty much kill the power. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below.
Alrighty guys, my camera's about to die, but it has been an eventful day. Shout out to these guys, man. If you guys need a dyno run in OC, hit up the boys at House of Power, man. They have a dyno jet here, super chill guys, and they like to party. So we had some fun today with the cars, kind of see what kind of power they make. Woo! Yeah, this thing is just, you can't get used to it. How loud that is. It's just nasty. I don't know how you don't get pulled over with that being that loud.
I put it in quiet mode. Oh, it's not that bad.
There's a quiet mode?
Yeah.
What?
Active exhaust.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Well, you should have told us before you blew our ears out. Here they are, man, the 2 beasts.